Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to add picture to your contacts in your Android device. So for this guys, you don't need to download any extra third party app. Just I am going to show you very easy and very simple method. So for this guys, you need to open the contact application on your device like this. After open the contact which you want to add picture on that contact. For example, I am opening this contact. After opening, you can get the option edit contact. Just tap on it. From here you can get the camera icon on the top side. You can see, just tap on it. From here you can get the option to select the photo. You can capture it live or you can set it from your phone gallery. For example, I am selecting the photo from my phone gallery. Choose photo, just tap on it. So I have selected this photo. As you can see, you can also crop this and just click on save as copy. So as you can see guys, the photo was added to this contact. After this guys, at the end you want to save these settings. On the top right side you can get the option to save. Just tap on save. That's it, very simple. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe. Thank you.